Dear students, in previous classes I had written you some important definitions. I hope that you will read and learn this definition. Now I am going to tell you about place value and face value of a number. Place value of a digit in a number is the value of digit. Place value place value of a number place value of a digit in a number is the value of a digit in number is the value of the digit itself. Place value of a digit in a number is value of this digit according to its position. Place value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit according to its position. किसी भी संख्या में अंक का स्थानीय मान उसके स्थान पर के अनुसार होता है. यदि किसी भी अंक का स्थानीय मान उस संख्या के उस अंक के पोजीशन पर निर्भर करता है. If a digit is at 100 place, then the place value of the digit will be 500, 200, 300, 400. So place value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit according to its position. उसकी स्थिति में if a digit is at 10th place, then the place value of the number is right according to its position. Place value. As for example, if you have to find the position of find the place value of 4. If you have to find the place value of 4, then we will find the position of 4 in the number. We see that position of 4 is at 100, so the place value of 4 is 400, and the place value of 5 is 50, because 5 is at position of tens. And the position of 3 is at 1000 place, so the place value of 3 is 3000. And face value face value of a number, face value, or we can say it local value, face value of a digit in a number is its value, face value of a digit in a number is its numerical value. It is also called local value. Face value of a digit in a number is the value of its digit, numerical value. And for example, if you have to find the face value of digit 2, face value of 2 is equal to 2. If you have to ask face value of 5 is equal to 5, and the face value of 1 is equal to 1. So the face value of a digit in a number is its numerical value. About Indian place value chart. I am going to tell you about place value chart. If you have given some numbers and you have to put the numbers in place value chart, there are two steps to writing the number. There are two methods: Indian place value chart and international place value chart. So now I am going to describe you about Indian place value chart. To write the number in place value chart, we make a chart in this way. to write numbers in place value chart, you will make this table, and once is divided into three parts. In first part we write unit place अथवा या ones place, tens place, hundreds, thousands, ten thousands, lakh, 10 lakh, crores, 10 crores, and name of place. If you have to write any number in place value chart, as for example, 29, if you have a number, if you have given a number and you have to write this number in place value chart, so you will make such a diagram, and now I am going to write this number. At first 29, place value of 29, ones, tens, hundreds. Here 8 is at ones place, so we can write for 8 at unit place. 3 is at tens place, 4 is at hundred place, 5 is at thousand place, 6 is at 10,000 place, 7 is at position of lakh, 3 is at 10 lakhs place, 9 is at position of crore, and 2 is at 10 crore. So in the place value chart we can write a number. We can write number 29. We read as 29 crores 37 lakhs 65,000 and 438. Similarly, you can put any number in this chart. If you have to make a chart for Indian place value, then you will make such chart. That this chart is divided into 5 groups. First group from right. In first group we write ones. In second we write thousand. In third group we write lakhs. And fourth group we write crores. And fifth group we can write periods. Ones group is divided into three parts: unit, ones place, tens place, hundred place. And the thousand is divided into 2 groups, where we write thousand, 10,000. Lakhs is also divided into 2 groups: lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. And at last we write name of place. If you have given any number, then in this way you can write this number in different place, and in this way we value chart. international place value chart. To make international place value chart, in this way we form a international place value chart. In international place value chart, once is divided into three parts. In first part we write unit, tens, hundred, and second thousands is divided into three parts: thousand, 10,000, 100,000, and million. Million is also divided into three parts: million, 10 million, 100 millions. And at last we write billion. Billion is divided into three parts: billion, 10 billions, 100 billions. And at last we write name of place. If you have to write any number, as for example, and you have to ask that, write it in international place value chart. Two nine three seven 654 38. If you are given a number, the number is 29376548, and you are to ask that this, how will you keep this, write this number in international place value chart. So you will form such chart. Now I am going to write the digit of the given number in place value chart. At one place is digit 8. So we write 8 here at unit place. For 8 we write at unit place, and 3 is at tens place. So we write 3 in tens part, and for 4 is at 100 place. So we write 4 at 100 place. 5 is at position of 1000. So we write for 5. So we write 5 here, and 6 is at 10,000 place. 7 is at 100,000. So we write for 7. 3 3. 3 is at, we write 3 is at position of million. Million, 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. Million, 3, 10 million. 9 is at position of 10 million and 2 then read as 200 because millions is divided into 3 parts. Million, 10 million, 100 million. So we read as 293 millions 765,000 and 438. So we read as this number in international system. According to international system, we read 293 millions 765,000 and 438. So this is very important for you to know how will you form Indian place value chart and international place value chart, and how will you substitute the number in the given chart. So in next class of mathematics, I shall describe you. I will start from exercise 1 of new book. From new book, exercise 1.1 will start tomorrow. Thank you.